Okay. Yeah, that one's not good.
What's that one at?
120.
Fuck.
Yeah, we're down on compression.
Yeah.
Alright, well, let's continue on. What's cylinder 6? So we got cylinder 2 and 4, we're at 210. Alright. Good. Alright, we're at 200.
Yeah.
Good. Alright, that one's at 195, still within tolerance. Yep. Hmm, 155. Yep. It's time for this engine to come out and get replaced or rebuilt. Charger 3.5 liter V6. It's low on compression, and we just pulled both valve covers off. And I'm gonna get this turned around so you can see if you can tell whether or not this motor's been into or not. This is the passenger side. Looks, yeah, everything looks fine. You can tell it's just nasty. And here's driver's side. It's a lot cleaner. Somebody has been into this motor fairly recently. And you could tell because when we first did diagnostics on this car for having a knocking in the motor, and we saw it on the front end of the car, we had seen that 2 bolts on here on the front of the timing cover were loose, and you grab them and barely spin them and they came right out. So the motor's definitely been into, whether somebody did a timing belt on this and a water pump or not, or if this motor has been completely torn down and a new head put on. From my understanding, 3.5s are well known for a cylinder head failure, and it might be time for a new motor or a new cylinder heads, because we are down on compression. Here's what we had for compression. Passenger side 200, 195, 155. It's a rear cylinder. Driver side 210, 210, 120. These 2 rear cylinders are out of spec, with everything else within range. And there's a lot of carbon buildup on the pistons themselves. And I'll show you the spark plugs here. Hard for the camera to focus. That's the worst one, and this was on the front driver's side, which was in tolerance. Alright, this is the back passenger side. You should be able to see there's a piece of the piston right freaking there that's missing. And there is oil down here, so for when we did the compression test, but If you look in the top left corner, you can see a chunk of that piston is gone. Now we're going to go to the driver's side.